In this video, I want to show you how do I cook the vegetable biryani. This is in response to the request by some of my readers. The recipe relies on a combination of herbs and spices, as well as a varieties of vegetables to complement each other to create the bold and flavorful taste that stands out on its own. Let's take a look at these steps one by one. Soak the basmati rice in water for at least half an hour. Then drain and set aside. Prepare a pot of boiling water. Add some salt to the water, just like cooking pasta. Cloves, cardamom, peppercorns, cinnamon, bay leaf, and star anise. Pour the rice into the water. Cook the rice in the boiling water with some spices. The rice should boil over medium heat until it is about 3/4 cooked. That's when the rice grain will break if you press it with 2 fingers. It will take about 3 minutes, depends on the volume and the heat. Once it is done, remove the rice and drain with a wire mesh strainer along with the spices. Set aside. Step 2. Cook the vegetables with the warm spices. To begin with, melt the butter or ghee in a thick bottom pot or pan. Throw the whole spices, that's the bay leaves, cloves, cardamom, black peppercorn, and the cinnamon bark into the pan. Saute it over low heat and let the flavor of the spices infuse into the oil. Add the vegetable of your choice into the pot once you can smell the aroma rising from the pot. Cut the carrot into dice. Cut the tomato in small cubes. Cauliflower into small florets. French bean into short strips. Add the yogurt and the vegetable stock to cook the vegetable for 5 to 10 minutes until they turn soft. Throw in some green peas. Use water if you do not have vegetable stock, although it is not ideal. Unfortunately, then there is always vegetable stock with me in our restaurants. Next, add the remaining herbs, spices, and seasoning: ground coriander, minced ginger, minced garlic, turmeric powder, chili powder, and some salt. Cook the vegetables for 5 minutes until it turns soft. Step 3. Cook the rice using dum method, that is, cook with steam. The final step to prepare the biryani rice is to layer the rice on top of the vegetable. Spread the drained, half-cooked basmati rice on top of the vegetables. Add some mint leaves, coriander leaves, and fried shallots. Cook the rice over very low heat.
The lid should be tight, which enables the rice cooked by the steam created by itself slowly. If it is not tight enough, get some bread dough or chapati dough to seal it up of the edge of the pot. It will take any time between 30 minutes to 50 minutes, depends on the amount of rice and the heat. Once it is done, mix the rice with the vegetables at the bottom carefully. The basmati rice is long and slim, so it can easily break if you stir and flip it too much. The action should be gentle and slow.
This is how I cook the vegetable biryani in 3 simple steps. It is easy. Just make sure you have all the ingredients on hand before you start. You can download the recipe and read more details about it on my blog, tasteasianfood.com, vegetable biryani. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button below. You'll find there are many more of the similar videos out there. Until then, I'll see you again next time. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.